From visitmysmokies.com, it's another edition of the Funcast. I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet, with another look at what's new in the mountains this week. For example, a new petting zoo attraction now open in Sevierville, Springtime Farms Exotic Petting Zoo. One free child per paid adult admission right now. They have animals, they have a huge pumpkin jump pad, pedal cart track, and other activities too. Here's something that's new, and it's in Gatlinburg, where the Park Grill recently revealed Timber Tales. That's a new interactive projection show with Gatlin Bear. The whole family can enjoy that while they're eating. Well, over the last few days, we've had heat index numbers at times, like last weekend, over 100. If you're looking for a way to cool off, may I suggest Dollywood's Splash Country? Always a favorite. USA Today readers say it's a top 10 outdoor water park. Splash Country with towering slides, sparkling pools, family-friendly splash zones, all tucked in the shaded beauty of the mountains. And now through September 21st, I've got a special deal. You get one-day tickets that cost only $29.95 plus tax. Perfect way to cool off and soak up those final days of summer. And by the way, the water park is now closed on Tuesdays and Thursdays with schools back in session. Rafting is still a great option this time of year. Whitewater rafting on the Pigeon River. You've got the upper Pigeon River with a class 3 and 4 rapids if you want the heart-pounding fun. And area outfitters provide guided trips through all those waves and drops and such. The lower Pigeon River offers Class 1 and Class 2 rapids for a more relaxed adventure. And if you're looking for kayaking, I would suggest Douglas Lake. That's a great place for that, along with Townsend, Tennessee. Sometimes people say that's on the peaceful side of the Smokies. Tubing in the Smokies, another great option for families. Let the river do the work, right? Places like the Little River in Townsend are great for that. And all the links for all the ideas I just spoke of are posted in a recent story in the travel tips section of visitmysmokies.com. And yes, let's dive in to that forecast. There's going to be lots of water just around in general with plenty of humidity this week. And temperatures, I think, are still going to be in the 90s, at least through Wednesday. They may back off a little bit then Thursday for the rest of the week, more like the upper 80s. And pretty much daily chances of showers and storms. The storm chances are going to be highest in the afternoon. So when you're making those outdoor plans, if you want to play it safe, make the outdoor stuff in the morning and save some time in the afternoon for a nice trip, maybe to one of the indoor attractions and a bite to eat in an air-conditioned restaurant when you visit mysmokies.com.